Honorable Minister, if I may deviate a bit from politics, just quickly, a case currently ongoing, Nnamdi Kanu's case in court. There was a protest on Monday, but he was set to open his defense yesterday, and you were listed as one of his witnesses.
Compelling witness.
Alongside a number of other notable Nigerians, so former Attorney General, some governors, former governors as well, and another minister, Dave Umahi, was listed as well. I do not know if you're aware of this and why it is that you have been listed as one of the witnesses in this case.
And if you see Nnamdi Kanu, you ask him, why did he list me? I did not go to say I want to be a witness. You are the one saying that. So if you see him, ask him, why did you list Wike as one of your witnesses?
Have you not seen it?
I'm coming. Mm-hmm. I don't list. See, you don't become a witness by reading newspaper. Mm-hmm. Nobody has served me any process. Nobody has subpoenaed me. So because I saw Wike's listed, therefore, I'm going to run helter skelter. No, you don't do that. If I am served, if I'm subpoenaed to come and give witness or to give evidence, I must obey the court. I must appear. But not on pages of newspapers. Nobody does that.
Excellency.
And so, as to why I should be listed, he who chooses me there, he should ask him the question. But if I am invited, if I'm supposed to come, go.
My country people, this Nnamdi Kanu's case, I don't think it's going to end anytime soon. Now, we've all heard from Nyesom. He said he will only appear as a witness in court once he receives an order from the courts. Once the court summons him, he will be there to stand as a witness in Nnamdi Kanu's trial, only if the court orders him. So this particular case has a long way to go. Let's not forget that Nnamdi Kanu had listed Malami, Abubakar Malami, Nyesom Wike, Dave Umahi, Governor Sanwo-Olu, Danjuma, Buratai, Okeze Ikpeazu, and other persons as witness in his ongoing trial at the Federal High Court in Abuja. And when people saw Wike's name on that list, a lot of people raised eyebrows, like, we knew Nyesom Wike may not attend or, go to the court to present himself as a witness for Nnamdi Kanu. So during his recent media parley, he was asked, and Wike said he will only appear in court if he's summoned by the court. And to think of this, I thought President Bola Ahmed Tinubu actually put a hold on Nyesom Wike's media chats, because you get one time with the SA say Tinubu to say make Wike no do again, no, because the way when Wike they carry this media parley for in head, a lot of people go think say now only Wike be the only minister we'll get for this country. Some people don't know say we get other ministers for this country. I know some persons have no idea that we have other ministers. They feel say now only maybe Wike and Dave Umahi na in this country because now their voices we just dey hear. Wike own na even was past. Dave Umahi own na recently as he no gree talk the cost per kilometer of the coastal highway. But Nyesom Wike na right from time we don't hear Nyesom Wike matter. But that is by the way. Now people are saying Nyesom Wike being on that list for Nnamdi Kanu's, being on that Nnamdi Kanu's list was as a result of his involvement in the killings of Igbo in Oyibo in Rivers State. Now, Oyibo is a local government in Rivers State, and something happened some time ago where there was killings and genocide in that Oyibo local government council in Rivers State, which generated a lot of tensions, in the southeast region and the neighboring southeast region. To an extent, people threatened Wike. They even threatened to drag Wike to the International Criminal Court, that's the ICC, if he failed to withdraw the military that he sent to that community, because it was alleged that Nyesom Wike sent military to Oyibo community when he was the governor of Rivers State. That was when this took place. But later on, Wike gave a statement that he did not order the military to go and kill Igbos in Oyibo, that he did not do so. Even Nnamdi Kanu had said that Nyesom Wike will not go scot-free over what happened in Oyibo. So a lot of people were dragging Wike, tagging Wike that he was the one that sent soldiers, because a lot of innocent persons were killed. Lives were lost. Lives were lost. But Wike later said he never ordered soldiers to kill Igbos in Oyibo. He never did so. He at all. Wike just say he no get wetin him do. That all these things were false accusations, were baseless. And I guess that's why Nyesom Wike's name appeared on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's list of witnesses that would stand in court, for the ongoing trial at the Federal High Court. So my country people, I can say that this court case is going to be a long one. It's not ending anytime soon. We recall that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said he would defend himself in court, and he did so without the help of his lawyers, without the help of his legal representatives. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, stood at that place and he defended himself. A lot of people applauded Nnamdi Kanu for his courage, for his bravery. And amidst all these things, the world is watching. A lot of people have been tagging world leaders, Donald Trump, the US president, and other world leaders, that they should come and look into this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's issue, because things are gradually getting out of hands. And Nnamdi Kanu defending himself came after Sowore led a massive protest in Abuja to demand for the immediate release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And the outcome of the protest was, quite intense, because some persons were arrested, including Nnamdi Kanu's brother and his lawyers too. They were also arrested. And later on, 2 days after the protest, Omoyele Sowore was arrested. And, they took him to police station, to jail. And guys, his arrest brought about a lot of condemnation. So many people condemned his arrest. So whatever game is going on, the world is watching.